Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Dunmore, Alberta, a quiet little town just east of Medicine Hat. Dunmore got its name back in the late 1800s after Charles Dunmore, a railway official with the Canadian Pacific Railway. The town grew up around the rail line, which played a big part in opening up this part of southern Alberta. Dunmore sits on the open prairies, where the land starts to roll gently before meeting the Cypress Hills to the south. It's a great spot if you like wide skies, sunshine, and easy access to both farmland and city life. Whether you're just passing through or exploring nearby trails and history, Dunmore has that calm, friendly feeling of a small prairie town. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Dunmore, Alberta. Thanks for watching!